How to turn off autoplay feature on Instagram in 2022. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply turn off that autoplay feature on Instagram. So first of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, when you have opened up your Instagram application, what you're gonna do is go into the profile by tapping on the profile icon at the right bottom corner of your screen. Once you do that, this is a kind of a page that would similarly pop up. So eventually when you'll go through any of the video, you'll automatically the video will start loading or turn on or off that autoplay feature. What you're going to do is go into the settings option that is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you have to then a dialog box should appear up, then you have to go into the settings option that would be at the number 1. Once you go over there, then a new page would appear up in which you're going to go and look for the accounts option that would be the fourth last. Once you tap on the account option, a new page would appear up that which consists of numerous options out of which you're going to go and look for the cellular data use. So when you're going to look for it and you successfully find it, you're going to tap on it. So when you tap on it, you'll again get a two options in which you're going to go and tap on the use less data and turn that data saver on. Once you do that, you have successfully turned off the autoplay feature, and now it won't load videos in advance. So this is how you do it. This is how you turn off autoplay feature on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.